Algorithms for horizontal split, we may find that some alphabetical letters appear as the initial letters in surnames more frequently than other letters. This means some nodes may have to store more data and process more requests than others. Hash partitioning is a technique where we apply a hash function to a specific attribute of each row. This results in a number that determines which partition and, thus, node this row belongs to. For the sake of simplicity, let's assume we have one partition per node, as in the previous example, and a hash function that returns an integer. If we have n number of nodes in our system and try to identify which node locates a student record with a surname S, we'll calculate it with the formula hashes mod n. Advantages of hash partitioning: the ability to calculate the partitioning mapping at runtime, with no need to store and maintain the mapping. This is beneficial both in terms of data storage needs and performance, as we don't need any additional requests to find the mapping. A greater chance that the hash function will uniformly distribute the data across our system's nodes and prevent some nodes from overloading. Disadvantages of hash partitioning: the inability to perform range queries at all, even for the attribute we use as a partitioning key, without storing additional data or querying all the nodes. Adding or removing nodes from the system causes it to repartition. This results in significant data movement across all nodes of the system. Consistent hashing is a partitioning technique that is very similar to hash partitioning, but solves the increased data movement problem caused by hash partitioning. This is how it works. Each node in the system is randomly assigned an integer in a range of0L. This range is called ring, for example, 0360. Then, the system uses a record with an attribute value S as a partitioning key to locating the node after the point hashes mod L in the ring. As a result, when a new node enters the ring, it receives data only from the next node in the ring. The other nodes don't need to exchange any more data. Similarly, when a node leaves the ring, its data transfer to the next node in the ring. Advantages of consistent hashing: reduce data movement when nodes are added or removed in the system. Disadvantages of consistent hashing: the potential for the data's non-uniform distribution. Because of the random assignment of nodes in the ring, the potential for more imbalanced data distribution as nodes are added or removed. E.g., a node's dataset is not distributed evenly across the system when it is removed, but is instead transferred to a single node.